In this video, we will be learning the uses of the present simple tense, the present continuous tense, and the present perfect tense. Let's look at the present simple tense first. When do we use the present simple tense? First, we use it to talk about general facts or truths, like the fact that the Earth is round. Secondly, it is used to talk about repeated actions or habits. For example, Hannah goes to the gym every Friday. We can also use the present simple tense to talk about permanent or ongoing situations. Take a look at the third example. Anne lives in Singapore. Remember that when the subject is in the third person singular, you have to add s or es after most verbs. The present simple tense has many applications, but we often see it used in diary entries or in conversations between people. It is also used in book or film reviews when we talk about the storyline of the book or film. Now that we have covered the present simple tense, let's look at the present continuous tense. We form the present continuous tense by combining the correct form of the verb to be and the ing form of a verb. For example, the phone is ringing. When do we use the present continuous tense? There are a few different purposes for the present continuous tense. First, we use it to talk about something that is happening at or around the time of speaking. For example, the phone is ringing. Secondly, we use the present continuous to describe temporary situations that only last a short period of time. For example, when someone is moving house. We can also use the present continuous to describe changing situations. The weather is getting warmer is an example. Finally, let's take a look at the present perfect tense. We form the present perfect tense by combining has or have with the past participle of a verb. When do we use the present perfect tense? We use the present perfect tense to describe something which has an effect on the current situation. We use the present perfect when we talk about the present result of something that happened in the past. For example, David has lost his keys, so he can't go home. Although David lost his keys in the past, this past action is having an effect on his current situation because now he cannot get home. We can also use the present perfect tense to describe something that started in the past and has continued into the present. For example, we can say that Lucy has worked from home since last week. Now let's practice reading. Can you identify the different uses of the present tenses in the following passage? The answers are now on the screen. The answers are am waiting, don't have, has prepared, is, and says. Did you get them right? Let's practice listening. Question 1. Listen to sentence A and sentence B and identify which one is written in the present perfect tense. A. It has stopped raining. B. It has been raining all morning. The answer is A. It has stopped raining. Question 2. Listen to sentence C and sentence D and identify which one is written in the present continuous tense. C. Anna has been working all day. D. Anna is working on her history project now. The answer is D. Anna is working on her history project now. Now, let's practice writing. Form sentences in the correct tenses using the words given in brackets. The answers are now on the screen. The first sentence is, she is washing some clothes now. Here, the word now reveals that the action is happening at the time of speaking, so the present continuous tense is used. The second sentence is, I haven't met her before. The speaker hasn't met the person in the past, so the present result is that they don't know her now. Therefore, the present perfect is used. Do the answers match what you've written? After writing, let's have some speaking practice. Answer the following questions out loud using the correct tense each time. Question 1. When does your school term start? Question 2. Is it raining now? Question 3. What have you done today?